The media were locked in for the announcement, but sandwiches and coffee were on offer. Much like Fonterra farmers, now locked into the Trading Among Farmers scheme, but offered the chance to sell the economic rights to their shares for the public to buy. This is the online platform that farmers should be able to use from November 2nd to sell the economic rights to their shares, but there are limits. Only 25% or less of wet shares are able to be sold. That's shares a farmer is required to hold to meet the share standard for the season. But all dry shares or excess shares are able to be sold. The board revealed a supply offer booklet to farmer shareholders inviting them to sell the economic rights of a portion of their shares, and they also revealed an offer document inviting the public to buy these economic rights by purchasing units in the shareholders fund. Chairman Sir Henry van der Hayden stressed that the public would only be buying units issued by the fund and not actually acquiring Fonterra shares.
So they're not selling the shares, they're selling the economic rights. So therefore they sell the dividend stream and the delta in the share price.
The public will be able to buy units issued by the fund from November 5th, though it's not open to the general public. Friends of Fonterra are welcomed. They're current and retired Fonterra shareholder farmers, share milkers and permanent employees. The minimum amount to invest is $2,000. The maximum, $50,000. Fonterra will also invite certain institutional investors in New Zealand, Australia and other countries, and also able to buy units are New Zealand residents who are clients of NZX firms through a brokerage deal. And finally, shareholders of the Australian Bonlac Supply Company and suppliers of milk to Fonterra Milk Australia. They will be offered $25 million worth out of the total $500 million package being offered. Fonterra says it is confident that $500 million of economic rights will be sold by farmers, but if it doesn't reach that amount, Fonterra will make up for the shortfall. Offers will close on November 21st. Fonterra's CEO, Teo Spearing, says the company is well placed to benefit from emerging markets.
We are the biggest milk processor on the planet. We are sitting on most protein, so to speak. You see in that chart, you see how we compare to other big players around the world. It's 21.6 billion litres, and it's not only milk, but as I said, it's protein to the world.
Country 99 TV asked Teo Spearing if he's confident Fonterra has ironed out the remaining wrinkles in the Trading Among Farmers scheme.
I'm very confident on that because we are a unique co-op. We collect. We have the privilege to collect 90% of the milk. We export again 95% of the milk. We are driving the globally traded scene in the form of GDT. That's determining our milk price. So we have a fully transparent global milk price. And now with the launch of the prospectus and hopefully the launch 30th of November of Trading Amongst Farmers, we have a fully transparent share price. So from a co-op perspective, we are fully transparent on milk and on money. And I think that puts us in a great position to connect to the world and to go after business propositions in a much better way than it was before.
The indicative price per unit currently is set at $4.60 to $5.50 per unit. The final price is expected to be announced around November 27, though Fonterra says if the price per unit is below $4.60, the go-ahead button won't be pushed just yet. John Watson, Auckland, Country 99 TV News.